Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
And I am Tom. Hello everyone.
Hi Tom. You look very happy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic. Lucy, look outside our studio window right now. The sun is shining, the sky is bright blue, and there isn't a single cloud in the sky. It is a perfect day.
It really is beautiful. But Tom, I actually checked the forecast this morning, and I heard that it might rain later this afternoon.
Really? Oh no, I didn't bring my umbrella. I was so tricked by the sunshine that I left it at home.
Don't worry. That is the funny thing about the weather. It changes our mood so quickly, doesn't it? When the sun shines, we feel alive and full of energy. But when it rains, we often just want to stay inside and be cozy.
Exactly. And that is why today's podcast is so incredibly useful. We are going to talk about the weather. It is the most common conversation topic in the entire world.
That is right. If you can talk about the weather, you can start a conversation with anyone. You can talk to your neighbor, a colleague at work, or even a stranger at the bus stop. It is the ultimate safe topic because everyone experiences it together.
So, today, we will give you a complete guide. We won't just teach you sunny and rainy. We will give you the words to describe your feelings, the sudden changes, and how to ask questions to start a chat.
Whether it is boiling hot or freezing cold, you will be ready to speak confidently. So, show us some love by hitting that like button.
And please subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started before it starts raining on me.
Let's start with the basics. Imagine we meet at a coffee shop on a day like today.
Okay, I am walking in. I see you sitting at a table near the window.
Hi, Tom. Wow, it's so sunny today. Did you bring your sunglasses?
Yes, I did. But honestly, Lucy, it's a little too hot for me. I feel like I'm melting.
I feel like I'm melting. That is a great phrase for a very hot day. It paints a funny picture, like ice cream in the sun.
Yes. Listeners, repeat after me. It's sunny. This is the basic sentence. But to show more feeling, you can say, it's too hot.
And if you are really suffering from the heat, say, I feel like I'm melting.
Now, let's change the scene completely. Imagine the weather changes suddenly. The clouds turn dark, and it starts raining very hard. You run into the shop without an umbrella.
Oh no, you look terrible, Tom.
I know I'm soaking wet. The rain is heavy today.
Soaking wet. That is a very useful phrase. It means your clothes are completely full of water, from your head to your shoes.
Yes, we don't just say, I am wet. Soaking wet is much more descriptive. And we can also say, it's raining hard.
Or a wonderful verb, it's pouring.
Pouring, Pouring. Imagine pouring water from a bucket or a glass. That is what the rain looks like.
So we have sunny, hot, melting for the good days, and raining, pouring, soaking wet for the bad days. These are your foundation blocks. But Tom, weather is not always simple. Sometimes it doesn't know what it wants to do.
That is true. Let's talk about our friend Jesse. He just moved to London last month.
London weather. It is famous all over the world. Do you know the word for it?
Yes, it is unpredictable.
Unpredictable. That is a long word, but very useful. Unpredictable. It means you cannot guess what will happen next.
Jesse told us a funny story. He said, 1 minute it is sunny, the next minute it is raining, and then suddenly, hailstones fell from the sky.
Exactly. He didn't know if he should wear a t-shirt or a winter coat. So Jesse learned a new phrase. 4 seasons in one day.
4 seasons in one day. I love that phrase. It captures the craziness perfectly. It means you experience winter, spring, summer, and autumn all before dinner time.
Listeners, repeat that phrase. 4 seasons in one day. Use it when the weather changes very fast in your city.
Imagine Jesse calling his mom back in Brazil. He says, "Mom, the weather here is crazy. It was sunny, then it rained, and now it's cold."
Notice how he used simple words, sunny, rained, cold, but he connected them to tell a clear story about his day. You don't need complex grammar to tell a story.
Now let's move from London to somewhere much colder. Let's talk about extreme cold. Our friend Crystal lives in Canada.
Canada. When I think of Canada, I think of snow, ice, and thick coats.
Yes. Crystal sent me a message yesterday. She said, "It's minus 20 degrees today. My eyelashes are frozen."
Wow, frozen eyelashes. That is extreme. So, for very cold weather, we don't just say it's cold. That is too weak. What do we say?
We say, "It's freezing," or "It's freezing cold."
It's freezing. It shows emotion. It tells the other person that you are uncomfortable and you need a hot chocolate immediately.
And what about the opposite? When it is 40 degrees Celsius and you can't breathe.
We say it's boiling, like water bubbling in a pot on the stove. Or it's scorching.
It's boiling hot. So we have freezing for the cold and boiling for the heat. These adjectives make your English sound much more natural than just very cold or very hot.
Okay, enough extreme weather. Let's go somewhere nice. Let's go to the beach.
I love the beach. I can hear the ocean already. What do you say about the weather there?
I would say, I love this warm breeze.
Breeze. That is a lovely word. B-R-E-E-Z-E. It is a soft, gentle wind. It is not a strong wind that messes up your hair. It is a happy wind that cools you down.
Yes. And you might say, the sky is bright blue. Or, the sun feels soft on my skin.
Can you picture it? The waves, the sunshine, the blue sky. Repeat after me. The sky is bright blue.
I love this warm breeze.
See? You sound relaxed already. Using words like breeze and bright helps you share the feeling of happiness with your listener.
Now, Tom, talking about weather is not just about describing facts. It is about reacting.
You are right. If I say it is snowing, that is a fact. But how do I feel about it? Let's play a quick game to practice reacting.
Okay. I love games. How do we play?
I will describe a weather situation, and you have to react emotionally. Act like it is happening right now.
Ready.
Situation 1. It is snowing heavily outside.
Wow, look at the snow. It is beautiful. But my hands are freezing. I can't feel my nose.
Excellent reaction. Situation 2. It is very, very windy.
Oh no, hold on to your hat. The wind is blowing everything away. It's crazy out here.
Perfect. Situation 3, it is stormy. There is loud thunder and lightning.
Oh, did you hear that thunder? That was loud. I'm scared. Let's stay inside and close the windows.
Perfect. Friends, did you hear Lucy? She wasn't just reading words. She was using her voice to show cold, surprise, and fear.
Yes, when you practice English, use your imagination. Shiver if it is cold, fan your face if it is hot. Look scared if there is a storm.
This connects the words to your body memory. It helps you remember them forever because you felt them.
We have learned a lot of descriptions and reactions, but conversations need questions too. How do you start a chat with someone?
Good point. You are at the bus stop. There is a person next to you. You want to be friendly. What do you say?
The most common question is simply, "How's the weather?" Or, "What's the weather like?"
Those are good for asking for information. But if you want to start a conversation with a stranger, you can use a specific grammar structure called a tag question.
Oh, tag questions. These are very British and American. Like, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?"
Or, it's cold today, isn't it?
By adding "isn't it" at the end, you are not really asking a question. You are inviting the other person to agree with you.
It is a very friendly way to connect. It says, I think this, do you think so too?
Let's practice. Imagine we are in an elevator. "Nice weather, isn't it, Tom?"
Yes, it is. I love the sun. It puts me in a good mood.
See? The conversation has started. The door is open. From there, you can talk about anything.
Wow. Lucy, we traveled a long way today. We went from the pouring rain to the sunny beach and experienced 4 seasons in one day.
We certainly did. And we use so many real-life phrases. Let's do a massive review to make sure our listeners remember the key vocabulary.
Conditions. It's sunny. It's pouring, heavy rain. It's freezing, very cold. It's boiling, very hot.
Feelings. I'm soaking wet. I feel like I'm melting. I love the breeze.
Questions. How's the weather? It's nice, isn't it?
Now, Tom, we cannot leave without our golden tip. What is the secret for our listeners today?
My golden tip is become a daily weather reporter.
A weather reporter? Like the person on the TV news?
Yes, every single morning. When you wake up and open your curtains, look out the window and describe what you see in English.
So I should talk to myself?
Yes. Say, today, the sky is grey. It looks like rain. I should take my umbrella. Or, wow, the sun is shining. It's going to be a hot day.
That is brilliant. It only takes 30 seconds.
Exactly. Talk to yourself for just 30 seconds. The weather changes every day. So you get new practice every single day. You will never run out of things to say.
And if you want to challenge yourself, check the weather app on your phone in English.
Yes, don't read it in your language. Read the English words: humidity, wind speed, chance of rain, forecast.
That is a brilliant way to immerse yourself in the language without leaving your house.
Well, the sun is setting on our episode today.
That was poetic. Tom, thank you all so much for learning with us. We hope you feel ready to talk about the weather with anyone, anywhere.
Remember, complaining about the weather is a universal human activity. It connects us all.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the Teacher English Speaking channel and hit the bell. It really helps us to keep making these videos for you.
And please share this with a friend. Maybe a friend who lives in a different country where the weather is different.
Now, for our practice challenge, we want to know about your weather.
Question: what is the weather like in your city right now?
Look out your window and tell us. It is sunny and hot. Or, it is raining and cold.
Write your sentence in the comments below. We love to see weather reports from all over the world. Is it snowing in Canada? Is it hot in Australia? Tell us.
Stay warm, stay cool, and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.